contest is scheduled for one fall with a 15-minute time limit. Coming to the ring first, weighing in at 320 pounds, he hails from Charleston.
Disrespect, I got something to say. Hi, Tyson. Hey, I need somebody to do me a favor and grab me a chair. What? You got a chair for me? This is good, right? Alright, listen, guys. This is one of these things where, you know, everybody kind of knows me as Tyson Tyler, right? Tyson the Ruler, right? The greatest champion in Arizona and the whole Southwest, the whole world's ever seen. That's right, keep laughing. They love me. Here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. My real name is Brian Barnett, and I'm the promoter here. Right? I've been throwing these shows for like 4 years now. That's the truth, right? I might have had the greatest matches in this ring and in this city, that's no question. But the truth is that this is my creation. I've done this, and I've done this for each and every single one of you. Alright? And as things go in the world, you know, times change. Okay? And times change. And with guys like myself, I've had my day. The truth is that I'm the only person in that locker room right now that has been offered a contract by the biggest company on the planet, and I did not take that for my own personal reasons. But that being said, as times change, people change. And right now is a day where we have a guy in our midst, and I don't think anybody understands how good this guy is. And I'm going to go ahead and call him out, because right now, I'm telling each and every single one of you that this guy is going to be the greatest wrestler to ever come out of the state of Arizona. And I want each and every one of you guys to show him the respect that he deserves, because he is that good. I want Alexander Hammerstone to come out here now. Listen, man, you know, it's hard for, you know, an athlete of my caliber to consider somebody an equal, but you are. Right now, you have an opportunity to be the greatest thing that this town and this state and the Southwest has ever seen. And, hold on, listen, I know you're a little bit confused, but bear with me, man. Alright? Nobody's done what I've done. Nobody knows what I know. Nobody's been where I've been. And I'm going to take you to that next level.
Listen, I know everything you've done, and I respect that. You know, I respect what you've done as a wrestler. You had that championship I'm going for tonight. So I respect you. I know what you've done. I see what you've done. You started before I even knew what the hell it was like to be a wrestling ring. And further than that, you're my friend. I know that outside these doors, you and I were friends. But no, let's start talking. I'm not liking this. Because I appreciate what you're doing to me. I appreciate all this, but I don't need anything. I come in here and I do what you put in front of me. I've done my job, and I held up, and Hammerstone is on the line on his own feet. I don't need you to push me, alright? So what's this all about?
Listen, you've done a great job, but you do need me, and I am going to take you to that next level. And that's it. I know what's best for you. I know what's best for this state. I know what's best for this company. And you're that, and I will, come hell or high water, make you the star that you are.